A hand grinder is a versatile tool used for shaping, polishing, and sharpening, intended for precision work. It weighs around 1.8 kg and is lightweighted for usage by one or both hands. Its 2.5-meter long cable offers mobility and flexibility to operate in areas of long distance. Handle provides a great grip and is with insulated gripping surface. It comes with on and off switch and a protection guard for safety benefits like reduced risk of accidents, injuries, and damage to the material. It has a rubber sanding plate that serves as a cushioning and gripping surface for attaching abrasive sanding discs and securing the paper properly. A spindle lock button serves critical function. When locked, it prevents spindle from rotating and is very useful while changing grinding wheel or other attachments. Selection of right abrasive paper is crucial. It is fixed tightly using the clamping nut. The auxiliary handle plays an important role in providing enhanced control, reducing fatigue, easy movement during a long operation.
Gather safety gear, including safety glasses, hearing protection, and work gloves. Inspect the grinder for any visible damage or loose parts. Plug the grinder into a suitable power source. Hold the grinder with both hands, one on the handle and one on the body. Press the safety lock button and trigger switch simultaneously to start. Move the grinder smoothly over the workpiece with controlled pressure. Maintain a steady pace and avoid excessive force. Release the trigger switch to stop the grinder. Wait for the wheel to come to a complete stop before setting it down. Unplug the grinder from the power source and store it safely. Disc inspection. Regularly inspect the abrasive disc for wear and damage. Cleaning. Remove debris and dust from the tool and ventilation vents. Lubrication. Apply lubricant to moving parts according to manufacturer's instructions. Storage. Store the tool in a dry and secure area. Code inspection. Check the code for signs of damage or wear. Guard maintenance. Ensure the guard is securely attached and in good condition.